Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to show you my Christmas ornaments that I have handmade, my kids have handmade, and my mom has handmade over, the last, I don't know, probably 10 years. I just got my tree up, and so I wanted to show you the ornaments before I put them on the tree. Then I will do another video showing you the tree with the ornaments on it. So everything on the tree will be handmade. So let's go ahead and get started. And if it's shaking, I'm sorry. I'm holding the camera. So I'm going to try to be as still as I can. Okay, the first things that are going on the tree are going to be these crochet angels. These were made by my mom. So we have that one, this one, and this one. So we have those. Next, we have this that I made quite a long time ago out of the plastic canvas. So that will be on the tree as well. And then this is one that I have just recently made. And it has the felt on the back. So that will be on as well. And this is another plastic canvas ornament with a little angel inside. And this is the back. And this is an ornament that my son made. And it's made out of glitter. I think he did this at school. And both sides are they have an angel in the middle. So that will be on the tree. And then my mom made these. She painted the shells and then just added different things to them to make them angels. There's the back. So these will be on the tree as well. And then a dear friend of mine that lives in Lubbock, Texas, made these. This is made out of metal, and they're angel wings. And these, I got this in 2015, and very, very pretty. So I have that. And here's another plastic canvas angel that will be going on the tree as well. And then I have a crocheted angel. Very pretty. And here's the back. And then I have a Whizzers cross stitch ornament. This was the first one I ever did. And that would have been last year. And I do have 2017 on the back. But yeah, that will be on there. And then here is my 2018 one, snowman, and 2018 on this one. But really like those. And then here is another one. I think I did this one last year. It was one of the little mini kits that come with the little frames and everything. So, did that one. And here's a couple of more of the shells that my mom made. And this one, really pretty. And let me see. And then this is a breast cancer. It's like it's supposed to be angel wings. And then the breast cancer pink ribbon. And that's crochet. So that will be on the tree. My mom is a 20-year breast cancer survivor. So I have that. And then I made this robin. And this one will be on the tree as well. And there's the back, its little tail, and the wings come out. So this one will be on the tree as well. And this I did an ornament swap. And this is the ornament that I received. So pretty. Here's the back. And this will be on as well. I just love the beads. It's so sparkly. Very, very pretty. And then I've got some more plastic canvas. Got this one that will be on the tree. And here's one that I made this year. Wreath with a bow. And then these, well, let me get everything situated here. And this is one. That was made. Very pretty, with the little bell and a cat, of course. And then this is one that my son had made. Very pretty when he was younger. And here's one that one of my kids made when they were younger. Because I was at one point into plastic canvas. And then this is the last. And these are crochet ornaments, flower ornaments that I made this year as well. So I think that is about it. But I will show everything when I get him on the tree and show you guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my handmade ornaments. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and, leave a comment, like the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.